Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn how to create validation rule on object. So today I will create the validation rule on opportunity object. So for that click on this gear icon, then click on setup. So first of all we need to open the object detail page. So then click on this object manager button. In quick find search for the object. So my object is opportunity, so I'll open opportunity object detail page. Here in last you can see the validation rules. So in this page you will see all the validation rules for this opportunity object. Then click on this new button and I will give the rule name as amount should not less than 30,000 and description will be amount value should not be less than 35,000. So description you should add description because other people also know about the use of this validation rule. That's why you need to add the description. After that, in error condition formula, so I will insert the field amount, and here amount is less than 35,000. I want to give the error message. So in error message here you can set the error message. So amount should not be less than 35,000, and here also you can see the one sentence. This message will appear when error condition formula is true. So when the amount is less than 35,000, this will be give result true. Then the error message will be fired. So in last you can see the error message can either appear at the top of the page or below a specific field on page. So error location, in error location for you can see top of the page or field. You can see two options. So I will first show you the top of the page option. Okay, then click on the save button, and this validation rule should be in active status. If it's active, then and only it will work. So I'll open opportunity. Okay, in details I will give amount as a 2, then click on save. Here you can see amount should not less than 35,000 error message. Then I will come back to validation rule, click on this edit button. I will set error location to field and I will select amount. Then click on this save button. Error location field is the best for the user experience. Okay, then I will click on this save. I already here you can see below this amount field you can see the amount should not less than 35,000 error messages as well. Here also you can see the one more error message where this error message refer amount field. When you click on this amount field, you can see here. Okay. In this way, you can create the validation rules. Click on this back to opportunity validation rules, and here you can see all the validation rules related to this opportunity. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Do share it.